Oh, hey there. This is my second time because I forgot to turn the camera on. So let's do this again. Welcome back to Stage Alpha Garage with me, Shaker. And our project today is putting a new exhaust on the Ram 1500 here. It's 5.7 liter HEMI. It's a 2016 quad cab. So we got a MBRP dual split rear exhaust to put on. This is catback, so we have a muffler, and it splits into two pipes, and then we have some nice big tips to put on. Let's crawl into the vehicle and see what we have to take off to get the new exhaust on. Welcome to the underneath of the truck. So what we're doing is, if you can see it that way, we're going to replace all this pipe here, this muffler, the muffler all the way back here. So we'll get that taken off. There's one band here and some rubber clamps, and then there's 1, 2, 3 more bands up that way to get off. So it shouldn't take very long to get off, and we'll get the new one put on. The new exhaust is installed. We got the two 3-inch pipes. The first one for the quad cab 6.4 box, you have to cut it for 23 inches. And for the other ones, I don't think you have to cut it. Unless it's a regular cab, you just don't use that pipe at all. You just use this one. Come back, and then we got our muffler. That splits into, oh, it's getting tight. That splits into two. Then you come up over the driver's side, passenger side, sorry. And back there. And the part that we had to wait on was that new hanger. And on the driver's side, where this was a single exhaust, the pipe comes up, but there's no heat shield between the pipe and the spare tire, so I'm gonna have to put something in there if I notice it getting hot, or the spare tire may get ruined. Then we're to the back, and nice big tip mounted. So notice on the bumper, I'm on dual exhaust bumpers, so I had to keep the tips in, and they get obstructed by the bumper, so I have to get a new rear bumper for the truck. Let's get this outside and see what it sounds like. See what kind of barky bark it has. Exhaust sounds pretty good. The MBRP dual split exhaust with 4-inch chrome tips. It'll look a lot better once I get that dual rear bumper, but for now I definitely enjoyed the sound of it. Sounds a lot more like a HEMI should sound. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.